Now, we are going to automate the commands that we should have entered manually. We are going to enter everything now to create a web page. What are the commands? We go into, to create a web server. We go into the system and we do sudo su to become root. And then we do yum update. Remember? Are you still here? Yeah, if you don't have echo in your background.
Yes, we're here.
So do you remember this set of commands?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Right. So who can tell me the next thing to do now in order to create a
Yum install.
Correct. Yes. Yum install what?
Web server.
-1.
Web server. What's the
Yum install
package for web server?
HTTP.
All right. You must add -y because it's a script. You will not be waiting for you to come and do.
Okay.
All right. So what's the next thing after it is installed?
Started.
Yum
to restart.
Yum
Awesome.
to
Somebody's
restart.
following. System
CTL.
restart HTTPD. Okay. All right. Then after restart, what do you want to do?
Enable.
Enable
System CTL.
CTL enable HTTPD, right? And then what do you want to do?
We put whatever we want on it.
On what?
Echo.
Why are we putting echo? What are we doing?
To put the words wherever we need on the page, on the web page.
Okay, on the web page, on the whole page. Awesome.
I did it to create and populate the document.
Yes. So that page. Do you remember the default page for?
That should be index.html.
Yeah, the name of the file is
var.html.
Okay. Where is it located?
www.www.
Yeah, you guys try. Oh, sorry, I'm inside. Okay, let's. So var.www.html index.html. All right, that's it, right? Correct, right?
Yes.
All right. So what do we want to have inside? What are we sending to that file?
Hello world.
Hello world. Wow. Where's my insert? Oh, what am I doing? What am I replacing? So echo hello world to what now? To then what?
var
www.
html.
All right. Yes, your question now.
Yeah, I was gonna ask on mobile XM, is there a difference between using backward slash and forward slash for
No, there's difference though.
Yeah.
Backward is backward, forward is forward. Yeah.
So in this case, using forward slash, should it be backward or forward?
This is backward slash. Is this what you mean? This one?
Yes.
Yeah,
this is forward slash.
This is forward slash. Okay. So forward slash is forward slash. We are saying that if we use this, it's not the same thing now. This is a script. So a script basically you enter your command in such a way that you don't have to have a human intervention because it knows what to do. You just do this, and once that is done, it does this. Once that is done, so there's no way it is waiting for you to make an input before it continues. All right. So that is the idea. Hello world. Let's add something. Hello world. Wow. Okay. And then send it. You see how your echo is useful now to that file. All right. So let's save. Save. It is saved now. So what do we have? ls-la. So we do have a file. Where's the file? Ending with .sh. So that tells me that this is a script. All right. And then, of course, we just saw what's inside cat. All right. Now, the next thing I want to do to run this script. Let me look at this script. This script is an executable file. Or at least it should be an executable file. But look at this place. Does it show anything executable?
No.
Does it show anything executable? So let's make this script executable file so that we can run it. If we run it now, it will not work because it's not executable.
Okay.
Who can tell me how to make this script an executable?
Chmod 777.
Chmod. Awesome. So even remember Chmod. It's good. Chmod. Then what?
776.
At least 7.
7-1.
This one executable.
761.
Okay, 761. Let's retain what's there.
No, 764. I'm sorry.
764. Yeah.
Yeah, 764.
Yeah, or at least maybe 774. All right, for which file?
Sudo web server.
Yes. Awesome. This is good. ls-la. We see that it's now executable. So we can run it. So that is how to write a script. So what do we expect? We expect that once we run this script, it will perform the task that we have defined within the script. And automatically, it will not only make that server a web server, it will also put this on the page. All right, let's try it. Let's try ls-la. So how do we call the file? So to call the file now, you are going to say sudo bash. That's how to call a script. Sudo bash, then the name of the script. So this is the command. All right, let's try. Again, root. All right, then switch user to EC2 user. All right, I'm not sure if anything happened. Okay, let's go and check. Check our browser to see if it's not a web browser. So where's my AWS? All right, so this is the public address of the. We're talking about server 2. This is server 2, right?
Yes.
So let's take the public address, Control C, then let's browse Control V, root port 80 automatically. All right, let's make sure we open the port 80 port for that one. Let's quickly go there. For the server security group. Yeah, all port was open. It's the same security group. Okay, so all port open bound. Yeah, that's correct. So it's not that problem. We didn't do something right. Let's go and check our script. It's not working. Okay, so let's go and check our script. Share. Okay, so let's check. Okay, let's check. So web server script.sh, and what do we have there? vi web server script.sh. Let's look at the script. What do you? Okay. Oh, there's something we didn't do.
The bin bash.
Yes, there's something we didn't do. This file would never be recognized as a script without something on the top. So let's go. So insert. So we go to the very top. You guys stay with me? We must put /bin. That was what we did which the first time. /bash. In fact, more important than anything else. So your script, your bash script must start with this sign. bin bash. Did you get it? So that's the part we missed. Hopefully that's the only part. Let's look around. You observe any other thing? Sudo. All right, very important. bin bash. All right, so we made that correction. We save, we exit, and then, all right. So let's try one more time to run the file. It's already executable, so let's just run it. And the command is sudo bash, then control. All right, switch user to EC2. Doesn't still appear to work. Let's come back and troubleshoot. Let's quickly check. No. So what's the error this time? Let's check. Okay, so let me just copy my script here, just in case there was an error. Let me share my document. Share screen. All right, so this is your note. Let's copy from your note instead of writing manual. So this is the script. Let's copy this, just in case that's where the error came from. Control C. Then we'll go to our bin bash here. vi what? Let's remove everything and paste. Maybe, okay, insert, then delete everything, and then paste. All right.
Is there a difference between system CTL restart and system CTL restart?
We've answered that 2 times already today. Same thing. All right. So let's run. So we have so let's run the command again. Sudo what? Sudo bin bash.